about to step out to go to one of our other local grocery store to get some stuff where you can get Jamaican food as well as other international food at a very, very, very discounted price. Since the hurricane, things have been a little bit different. You can't get some of the items that you need, and the prices are a little bit different, but I'm gonna go and see how it has improved or if it has not. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys along. Stay tuned. Somebody opened it already. Got some Hubs juice. I don't drink them though anyway. They're new to me. Some local honey. So where you going now?
I know what I come by.
Dried tomatoes. Some gelatin fruit cups. I've never seen these before. 95 cents. Walking and searching for the Jamaican owl. Or the international owl that they have here. The main reason why I come up for the color look. And I only hockey them have here. More cornmeal. That's the Grace cornmeal.
And what about the jerk seasoning?
Get a hot jerk seasoning here. Some mackerel. Let me get some mackerel. Let me see the expiration date. July 2024. Good. Some flavored fish soup mix or cock soup or whatever. You know what, any of those?
No,
since the COVID and the hurricane and things, some of the things that we usually get here we can't get anymore. You don't see any Milo. Normally you see like the crackers and the thing them. And we see the jerk season and them cock soup packet and them thing. We'll get some coconut milk. Oh, those are broad beans though, and the coconut milk they're right there. So. I look on the expiration date. Turn on. I forgot to put that one here. Picked up a pack of the cream one instead because this expiration date is 2023. You have some more coconut milk? This is not focus. Alright, so we're not getting any in our kind, so we're gonna get some in this chow, cocoa, whatever pronunciation for this. Some Chinese or Beijing type milk, coconut milk. These are some saltfish fritters, batter, bacalatos, bacala. I'm getting some Goya peas. These are some Mexican chili peppers, dried. Chili arbor, Mexican chili pepper. They have different types. Avocado leaves. I didn't know that they sold them like this. Oh. Let me see, this is what? Chamomile flower. You can make good to make the tea with them, say. They make you sleep at night time. The nutmeg. Let me tell you, these brands sell things that Caribbean people can do. Romero, what is that? Oh, rosemary.
The linseed there.
This is the linseed that we used in the Irish mass the other day. Some Goya chorizo, look like sausage type thing. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
There's some sardine and 139 Jamaican braised sardine. I pick up a couple of them. This is $6.44 for 49 cents for 8.8 ounce tin of tasty cheese. I think I featured these juices already. They're so nice. The mix. Then you have the Goya. The Goya is also very good brand. You have the mango and the guava and the apple. Let me try one cup of this. It's a sauce up. The tin then top. I'll try this one. Okay. Expires 2026. Ooh, nice. Some blue pit mayo for $2.88. I didn't need some coffee, you know. So the Folgers roast. I'll look for the instant one. I'm not seeing the instant one in the one aisle. Oh yeah, see there the Folgers, but the green one. So the decaf one, I don't drink decaf. Oh, there it is. Wow, the price though. $4.60. I'll wait till I go back at Sam's. Hot cocoa mix. $3.79. I'll pick up a sun kiss here. Okay. 4 kidney beans, rice and peas and for stew peas and red pea soup. Pick up a pack of the Uncle Ben's original rice, yeah, good brand. Okay, we always try to keep some Coke. We always try to keep some Coca-Cola in the house. It's always good for if you have and if you nearly fall down. Flatulence, gas and whatnot, it's good for it. Alright. Apparently now these laundry soap reasonable price, so we're getting some. Guys, we're about to head to checkout now. Thank you for coming to have this shopping experience with us. If I don't get to put any more in the vlog, I'm going to love and leave now until another time, alright? I guess this is not the end of it. We're heading to the meat section. Alright, okay guys. The meat section, like I told you. What is that?
Mark, the smoke one.
Oh, I like the smoke for them smoke. Wonder if we can buy one of them for grill. Piece of the pork. I'll lay a bacon and some on this side here.
That's good.
Turkey breast and bacon and all them things on this. We have some chicken put already now. We ask mommy. So these are the chickens that we buy, the Springer chickens. They taste the best. Are leaving. On the way home.
Yeah, the